Luna waves goodbye to her mom and heads to school with her backpack bouncing. On her neck hangs a dull gray pendant, her grandma's old gift. She sees a boy drop his books and runs to help him.
Thanks, Luna.
Wow, why is my necklace glowing?
Luna quietly studies the glowing pendant under her desk. Her best friend Maya notices.
Cool necklace. Is it magic? I don't know. It only glowed when I helped Jamie.
A new kid, Eli, sits alone on the bench. He looks shy and sad. Some kids whisper and giggle at his mismatched clothes. Luna wants to help but hesitates. She doesn't know what to say. She remembers Grandma's words.
Kindness doesn't need perfect words, just a warm heart.
After school, the sky darkens. A light rain starts as kids run home. Luna spots a stray puppy hiding under a bench. She holds her umbrella over it until the rain passes.
Your necklace is glowing like a flashlight.
Maybe it's the light of kindness, shining for all of us.
Good deeds travel faster than light, don't they?
Kindness isn't magic because of my necklace. It's magic because it makes people happy.
One small act can light up the world.